Dr. Anukriti Sharma welcomes you all in this exciting journey of BTech Computer Science and Business System. Today in this video I am going to introduce the syllabus of CSBS. The title of the paper is Business Communication and Value Science 1 and the code of this paper is CG106. So let's begin with the Unit 1. So in this unit you will learn about overview of LOL, which is leader oriented learning, and you will learn about self introduction. As you know, introduction plays a very important role. So it is a great opportunity to learn about this topic in this stage. So now delve into the unit 1. You will study in this unit presentation skills, writing newspaper report, interviewing skills, and self-awareness. Self-awareness is very important topic of this unit, as in which you will find identity, body awareness, and stress management. So now let's explore the unit 2. Grammar takes the center stage, and in this unit we will refreshing your memories about parts of speech, tenses, and voices. As you know, tenses are the most important aspects of communication. Without the knowledge of tenses, you cannot frame sentences, and on the basis of this unit, you will learn about how to spot the error, how to frame the sentences, how to use the voices of communication skills. Unit 3 delves the art of communication skills, which is very important. In communication, effective communication plays a very important role. So in the 3rd unit, we will learn about communication skills, different types of communication as formal or informal communication, verbal and non-verbal communication. And we will also learn the importance of questioning. As I see, many students doesn't ask any question in the class. They feel hesitation, or they ask some rubbish questions to get the attention of the students or attention of the classmates and attention of the teacher. So we will learn about importance of questioning, because it is very important topic by which we can understand which type of question we should ask, when and why and how. Then we will learn about difference between listening and hearing. Listening plays a very important role in anyone's life, because by listening we can learn about pronunciation, we can make some inferences, we can evaluate the things, and we can do so many things. Unit 4 hones your written and verbal communication, and in this unit we will study about different types of email, and in this unit you will work on your clarity of speech, your pronunciation, and you will enrich your vocabulary. Now the unit 5, last but not least, this is very important, understanding life skills, and in this unit you will learn about so many things which you are gone through, or you will see day-to-day life. Unit 5 takes deeper dives in the life skills, and using the movie example Diaries of Pursuit, you will portray or you will learn about the different life skills. And this is very beautiful unit, and it plays a very important role in every student's life. And by saying these words, I end my presentation. So let's make this learning experience truly exceptional.